Air. So uses of air, once again I want to revise it because yesterday some of you had not joined the class, means some of you missed the class. So please, once again I am revising this topic, please. So these are the keywords I gave. Yes, the keywords are sail, clothes, kites, aeroplanes, helicopters, flutes, tires, mouth organs, football, and swimming tubes. These are the keywords. Now coming to the lesson, we are dealing with the lesson air. Air is useful for everyone, all the living things. So all the living things like plants, animals and human beings, we all need air because all the living things breathe air. Without breathing air, you cannot survive on this earth. You need air to breathe. So all the living things breathe air. Either it may be a fish, it may be a worm, animal, human being. Yes, all the living things. Yes, they breathe air. Next. Air helps the birds to fly. Birds are flying in the sky. How they are flying? They have wings. But this air helps them to fly high in the sky. Air helps the birds to fly. Air is needed for burning fire. Like yesterday I told you, you can take two small candles and do this small activity. Burn, yes, lit the two candles with the fire, and on one of the candle you have to invert a glass tumbler. Then after sometimes if you observe, you can see the light inside the glass tumbler will put off. Yes, so that's the reason now we can say that air is needed for burning fire. If there is no air, fire also cannot burn. Next, air helps a boat or a ship to sail. So boats, ships, steamers, yes, they are all sailing on the water. Sailing means moving. They are all moving on the water. How they are moving? Because of the air. Air helps the boats or ships to sail on the water, to move on the water. Next, air help our wet clothes to dry quickly. Air helps our wet clothes to dry quickly. Yes, suppose if it's raining outside, even though you can dry your clothes inside your house under the fan. So air helps to wet clothes dry quickly. Next, air helps to fly kites and balloons. Yes, kites and balloons can be, yes, they can be fly high, they can be flown. So this air helps them to fly. You can fly the kites and balloons. Next, air helps aeroplanes, helicopters and hot air balloons to fly. So these are the aeroplane, helicopter and hot air balloons. These are the means of transportation, air transportation. People travel from one place to the other with the help of these air transportation. Like suppose if you want to go to other country, take America or London, UK. So you go by a aeroplane, and helicopter you can go from one place to the other, but not long distance, short distance. Like from one state to other state you can go through helicopter. And hot air balloons also, actually hot air balloons people, they fly for fun and joy, to enjoy the nature. They fly on these hot air balloons. So these are the means of air transportation, and air help these transports to fly. Next, air is needed to play some musical instruments like flutes and mouth organs. So these are the musical instruments. You use air for this, you blow, then the musical instruments will give different types of sounds. So air helps to play these musical instruments. Next, air is filled into footballs, swimming tubes and tires. Footballs, different types of footballs. Yes, you fill air in them and you play with them. And swimming tube also. You fill the air in the swimming tube and you use this swimming tube for swimming, especially small children, those who are learning swimming, starting days, you will use this swimming tube. Next, tires which are present inside the tube of a vehicles. So these tires, these tubes, yes, these tubes are filled with air and these tubes are kept inside the tires. Yes, they are placed inside the tires and these tires we use for different vehicles like cars, motorcycles, bikes, yes, heavy vehicles like buses, lorries. So like this. So these tubes are filled with air. So without these tubes and tires, the vehicle will not move. So these are the different uses of air. Yes, Sinan? Once again, air, living things need air because they breathe air. Birds fly with the help of air. Fire burns or air is needed for burning of fire. Air helps a boat or a ship to sail. Air helps our wet clothes to dry quickly. Air helps to fly kites and balloons. Air is also a means of transportation. People travel from one place to the other with the help of these means of transportation like aeroplanes, helicopters, and hot air balloons. And some musical instruments are played with the help of the air. Air is filled in football, swimming tubes, and tires.
Breathe. We cannot live without air. We cannot see air. We can feel it when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Take some small pieces of paper in your hands. Place your hands in front of a moving fan. What happened to the pieces of paper? The pieces of paper in your hands are blown away due to moving air. Air occupies space. Take a balloon. Blow air into it. The balloon becomes bigger and bigger when it is filled with air. This shows that air occupies space. We can fill air in a swimming tube, football, bicycle tube, etc. Air has weight. Take two empty balloons. Fill air into one of the balloons. Now weigh both the balloons. You will find that the balloon which is filled with air is heavier than the empty balloon. So we can say that air has weight. Air is needed for burning. Take two candles. Fix them on a table. Ask an elder to light both the candles. Now cover one of the candles with a glass tumbler. What happens? After some time, you will see that the candle covered by the tumbler goes off. Why? The candle covered with the tumbler could not get air to burn. A thing can keep burning only when it gets air. Uses of air. Air has many uses. Air helps in flying kites. It makes waves in the river or sea. It helps in sailing of a boat. It moves the fans of a windmill. Air helps clothes to dry. It helps helicopters and aeroplanes to fly in the sky. Unclean air. When harmful substances mix with the air, they unclean the air. This is called air pollution. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. Breathing unclean air can make us ill. Harmful effects of unclean air. It can cause breathing problems like asthma. It can cause headaches and dizziness. Pollution also harms plants and animals. Steps taken to keep air clean. We should not cut down trees because trees give us clean and fresh air and oxygen. We should plant more trees. We should not burn garbage. We must throw the decomposable garbage in a compost pit.
Conservation of water.